In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the section box in a 3D view. If your model looks cropped by a translucent cube or you're only seeing a slice of your building, that means a section box is active. This tool is great for isolating parts of a model, but when you're ready to see everything again, turning it off is quick and easy. First, make sure you're looking at the 3D view where the section box is currently active. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the box around your model. With handles, you could drag to tighten or expand the view. If you don't see that cube, you may be in a different view or the box might already be disabled. Next, look to the Properties palette, which is typically located on the left side of your screen. This panel controls the settings for the view you're in. Your workspace might be arranged differently, but the Properties palette is the one that lists things like detail level and visual style for the active view. Make sure the 3D view is selected so you're editing the correct properties. Now, scroll down through the Properties palette until you find the option labeled Section Box. It's usually grouped with other view-specific options. Take a moment to move slowly so you don't miss it. Depending on your template and interface scale, it could be a bit lower than you expect. Once you see the section box option, simply uncheck the box to disable it. The moment you do, the cropping boundary will be removed from the view. You should notice the model expanding back to its full extent with the entire geometry visible once again. This change applies to the current 3D view only, so you're not altering the model itself, just how it's displayed. If you don't notice a change after unchecking, double check that you truly were in a 3D view with an active section box. Also confirm that the Properties palette is showing settings for the correct view. Small interface mismatches are common and easy to correct, and that's all there is to it. By disabling the section box from the Properties palette, you bring back the full model and regain a complete perspective, which is especially helpful for reviews, screenshots, and coordination. Remember, the section box is a view property, so it's a safe, reversible way to focus your work without modifying the underlying